Hi all, this is the 12th tutorial from Engine in JavaScript category. Type conversion in JavaScript. What is type conversion and how it is working, and we are going to see about its sample. What and how to convert type. From one data type to other data type conversion is a type conversion. It having the two types. One is implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion. Consider you having the one variable, that variable having the value of integer, meaning that variable is an integer variable. If you want to convert into string, we can have some set of functions to convert those things. There in JavaScript implicitly having the types called implicit type conversion. Let me have the example, you will get a clear idea. Consider this example. Here I am having the variable called a, it having the value of 1 to 3, but it is integer. Okay, here I am checking a equal to 1 to 3. This, in this scenario, as per our expectation, in other programming language it won't work because it will not exactly same. But JavaScript implicitly convert this one string to numeric. So that comparison, implicit comparison having done here and checking this, it getting verify and move on to this. One more thing, in implicit conversion won't change the data type, that is in that time it will work. Like whenever it needed, it will check the conversion and it will check it is matching, it will move on to this. So why I am meaning, like if I am checking this type of, this is a function using for check the particular type of a, still it is string. Even if at the same code, if you put like triple equal to, it won't work because the even the implicit conversion also won't happen because the a still having the type of string, the 1 to 3 having the type of number, so it won't return anything. This is called the implicit, meaning we are not doing anything for converting from numeric to string or string to numeric. Internally it will having some logic to do conversion on the time. Okay, let's we discover how to convert from string to, for example, I am having the value of 1 to 3 in variable b, type of b string. Okay, now I want to change this type. How we can able to do that? The type means I want to pass to int. So the JavaScript having the method called parse int. Example, same b, I am parsing the b value and assigning to the same. Now I am checking this type of, now it got number. So this is called explicit conversion. Using some predefined function, we are trying to convert one data type to another, that is called explicit conversion. From converting string to int, we can go with this. Consider this where b equal to, I am having 123.91. Now the type of b is string. Again I am trying to convert this, parse int of b. Now we are getting 1 to 3. Here we should not use the integer because it having the some floating point. So we should use the float here. So what we can do, let me declare again 123.91. Again b equal to parse float of b. Now if you check type of b, number. Okay, how we can able to convert to string? For example, I am having the value a equal to 1 to 3. Now if you check type of a, number, I want to convert to string. How we can? Now a equal to a dot to string of a, to string. Now if you check type of a, string, that's all. Okay, I am having the variable where a equal to, in double quotes, true. Now if you check type of a, string, I want to convert a to boolean. How we can? A equal to boolean of a. Now type of a, boolean, that's all. Like the way we can able to convert any data type to anything. So we should not convert all the basic type to other types. For example, I am having the string property or integer property. I could not convert to object because object having some structure. So there will be some limitation to convert one data type to other data type. Okay. While discussing about this conversion, I want to explain one more thing called NaN. Consider where a equal to or a, okay, meaning string. So I am trying to pass this as integer. Actually, really the RA is not the integer. Am I right? So definitely we are going to get an exception. But here we are not getting the exception as per our expectation. It's returning NaN, meaning the A having the value of NaN. NaN means not an number. So in JavaScript, having the value is NaN, the NaN is not a number. Meaning when we are trying to play with the non-numeric value with the numeric operation, we will get this NaN. Okay. Okay. Also we having the infinitive, like I am trying to do the 1 divided by 0. Here we are getting the infinitive. So this is one more value is infinitive. Also we having the minus infinitive also here. Let me try to check that. Yeah, we got minus infinitive. Okay, these and all are the features in JavaScript type conversion and values based. I hope you are clear with the type conversion. For more type conversion methods, you can refer the Google so that you will get it, because it having huge amount of type conversions method. Whenever we needed, we can refer that. I hope you understand that. Thank you. Let's